Alright, so select the people you want to invite as followers and click on done. Now you'll reach on this particular screen, preview invite and send invite. What's up people, welcome back to the channel. So someone asked a question to me, how to invite other Quora users as followers who are not in my Google or the contact list. Basically, how do you ask people to follow you on Quora if they are not actually there on your contact list or through any CSV file? But the original, the extensive question to this is basically what she's asking. Well, I'm asking for follower for space, not for me. So basically, if you want to go ahead and ask people to follow you on Quora, it's not going to happen. You cannot go ahead and ask people to follow you on Quora. People will automatically follow you when your content is good, when they like your content or the questions that you asked, or so basically there is no way of getting people to follow you personally on the account on Quora. However, there is a way that you can go ahead and ask people to follow your space. Now for that as well, you are going to need the followers. I'm going to show you the number of followers that I have on Quora. It's not much, but as per the Quora thing, I think it is pretty much decent enough. I have 231 followers currently on my Quora profile, and I'm going to show you the spaces that I have. So in order to go ahead and understand what are the spaces that I own, so LinkedIn engagement, Snapseed, LGBTQ, entrepreneurs, Blackbox Global, Pokemon Go worldwide, digital productivity web, promote your Pinterest, and there is one or two more. I guess there is something regarding to YouTube. Yeah, so product hunt worldwide and YouTube content creator community. So these are the spaces that I own on Quora, and honestly speaking, out of them, LinkedIn engagement, अपना Black Box Global, promote your Pinterest is something, and Snapseed and others I have just started like some time back. I'm gonna show you the stats that I have for those ones. I just started a week back, I guess, and it is quite growing. In this particular video, I'm gonna show you this particular space, that is digital productivity web. This is my space, and I think I started it some 4 or 6 months back, I guess, when I got the access to create a particular space. So in this, as you see, there are these many amount of views. I have 106 followers and there are 177 upvotes on this particular space. Another thing is now coming to the people. So you invite people, you click on this invite option over here, and it will give you a particular choice of asking people to become as a follower, as a contributor, as a moderator, or admin. So for this case, we're going to go as followers. You can go ahead and click on the followers button, and then you will see these are basically the suggested people that Quora is going to give you. So these are my followers. I've already invited all my followers. So these are, I think, the new followers that I've got, and these are the ones I have still not invited. Apart from that, it's going to give me an option to invite the contacts that I have on my Google account. So these are the two options that Quora gives you to ask followers to follow your space. Again, I'm saying you cannot go ahead and ask them to follow your own profile. It is not possible on Quora. Apart from this, like for instance, coming to the question asked by Sankita. So basically, now when you post on Quora and if you don't have any followers, naturally there is no one who is going to look at your answer. So what you can do, the other thing is you can get this invite thing from here. Just copy this link from here and share it on your social network accounts, where let's say like Facebook groups, or let's say LinkedIn groups, or somewhere that you have your online presence, and you can say that okay, these people can be there on Quora. Otherwise there is no point. I mean, you share your link on some Facebook or things like that, and people who click on that link are not gonna be a part of the Quora social network, or sorry, not social network, are not going to be a part of Quora. That doesn't work and that doesn't make sense. So you make sure that you go ahead and share this link. So you go ahead and invite the followers. The similar way you get a link for contributors and moderators as well. You can just click on the contributor option, and it is the similar thing. Now, in order, I mean, Quora is actually gonna give you some suggested people which Quora thinks that they can be the contributors over here. You can just select them directly, and you can ask them to go ahead and become a contributor, or again you get an invite link. If you do not have any followers currently, it's not going to be visible for anyone. Or you can start adding this link in your answer. So the more and more your answers get the view, you can probably write a CTA at the end of your answer saying that please follow this particular space for more update or more content like this. And the last way is basically you go ahead and search by the names. But for example, I mean, you don't know people on Quora, so searching them by names or email address is going to be really difficult. So these are the other two methods are going to help you out. But yeah, of course, for the follower invites, you need to generate followers on your Quora account. It's not going to happen without that. So this was a quick video about what was a query that Sankita asked us. Sankita Malik is the one who asked us this particular query. And I hope this would be helpful for you, Sankita. If you liked this video and if you found it helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comment section like this, what are the other queries that you have about maybe Quora, Pinterest or other accounts, so I can go ahead and create more and more videos like these. I hope this was helpful. Take care.